Hi guys, welcome to my channel English with Bhavna. So, as today is Wednesday, I'm back with another topic for you all. Apart from parts of speech, which is not over, don't worry. I thought that it should be better that if I give you change, you would all like it because change is mandatory, right? Yes. And I know you all might be waiting for my video. So, I thought that I should not just take a step backward from my commitment. Though it's late, but it's okay, right? So today I'm back with another new topic that is phrases and its types. And I've also taught phrase and clause. If you haven't gone through that video, please go through it. So let's get started with phrases and its types part 1. Today I will be teaching you the basic types and I will be coming soon with the advanced types as well. So let's get started. So before starting, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe. And if you like my videos, really shower your love by sharing my videos with your friends and in your contacts as well, so that it would reach out to everyone, those who are in need to learn. And do comment for any queries, any doubts. Let's get started for today. So, what is a phrase? A phrase is nothing but it is a group of words that express a concept and used as a unit within a sentence. In an easy language, if I say you, a phrase is a word, a group of words, which usually do not have a subject and verb, and it does not make a complete sense. Okay, for example, if I say you under the tree, in the afternoon, over the moon, this all are what? This all are the phrases. Okay, now let's get started with the types of phrases. Types of phrases we will be learning today is noun phrase, verb, and verb, adjective, and prepositional. Okay, yes. Now, what is a noun phrase? A noun phrase is any noun or pronoun along with its modifiers. Okay, the school children, it is a noun phrase. Okay, because if you know, school is also a noun, right? And children also will consider as noun. So it's a what? It's a noun phrase. Yesterday's newspaper. Again, newspaper is what? Noun. So it's a noun phrase. It was a story as old as time. Now what it is? It is a noun phrase. Story is a common noun. Sunday become a cool wet afternoon. Sunday again is what? A noun. Okay, and cool wet afternoon obviously, right? So if you notice one more thing over here in noun phrase, none of the sentence, like for example over here the school children, like you cannot say there is a verb, no activity is there, so doesn't make a complete sense. Yesterday's newspaper, just a phrase, it is group of word. Okay, it was a story as old as time, again just group of words not making a complete sense, so it is a noun phrase. Noun phrase is nothing, I repeat, but which is included of a noun or a pronoun with its modifiers. Modifier means, for example, the children is over here. Okay, the story as old as time. So this all are what? This all are modifiers. Okay, now the next is what? Adjective phrase. An adjective phrase is a group of words that functions like an adjective in a sentence. An adjective phrase functions like an adjective to modify or tell about more or a noun or a pronoun. As we all know, what is an adjective? Adjective is nothing. It tells you. It modifies a noun or a pronoun. For example, when I say she's a girl, girl is a noun. But when I say she's a beautiful girl, so I'm modifying a noun. So it is what? Adjective. So same over here. An adjective phrase is nothing but it is a group of words that functions like an adjective in a sentence. Modify kar raha hai noun or pronoun ko. Okay. And it tells you more about adjective to modify a noun or a pronoun in simple language. Example. He is wearing a nice red shirt. Now shirt is noun. But by saying nice and red, I'm getting more information about shirt, right? So it is what? It is adjective. Shirt is noun over here, if you know. But by telling more information about how it is red and nice. So it is what? Adjective phrase. Okay, adjective. The girl. Girl is what? Noun. With brown hair. So if I'm telling something, now girl is a noun, but I'm modifying more noun, right? So it is what? Adjective. With brown hair or singing a song. So it is what? Adjective phrase. He gave me a glass full of water. So if I just say he gave me a glass, it's fine. But I'm modifying a glass, which is a noun, that I'm saying that full of water. So it is what? Adjective. A boy. Again, I'm from where? From America won the race. I'm modifying. So adjective phrase is nothing. It tells you more. It modifies adjective. And what is an adjective? What modifies? Noun or a pronoun. I hope you're understanding. Please understand. Shirt is a noun. Girl is a noun. Glass is a noun. Boy is a noun. When you're modifying more, It is known as adjective words. Group of words when modifying more and acting as an adjective, it's adjective phrase. And this is noun phrase. Let's move to the next one. What is a verb phrase? A verb phrase consists of a verb. Obviously, verb phrase है verb करेगा. Noun है noun. Adjective है adjective. This is a normal thumb rule. And all its modifier. A verb phrase is a combination of what? Main verb and auxiliaries verb. Now, what do you mean by auxiliaries? Auxiliary is nothing but helping verb. For example, she is dancing. So, dancing क्या हो गया? Main verb हो गया. But is क्या हो गया? Is what? Auxiliary verb. Understood? So, is what? Auxiliary verb. Now, he was waiting for the rain to stop. Was is what? Auxiliary verb. Okay, waiting is main verb for the rain to stop. So it is what? Verb phrase. He was eager to eat dinner. Eat dinner. To eat dinner. So again it is what? Verb phrase. Action. You have been playing. Again action hai. For a long time. Verb phrase. You might enjoy a spa. Again verb phrase. Understood? Next, adverb. Now, firstly, what is an adverb? Adverb is nothing but it modifies a verb, another adjective, or an adverb. Adverb. For example, she's dancing. Dancing is a verb. She's dancing gracefully. It's an adverb. Okay. She's shouting. Shouting is a verb. She's shouting top of her voice. It's an adverb. Okay. She is beautiful. Beautiful is adjective. She is wonderfully beautiful. So wonderfully क्या हो गया? Adverb. Okay. Now, adverb phrase is a group of words that function as an adverb in a sentence. An adverb phrase functions like an adverb to modify a verb, adjective, another adverb. Simple. He always behaves in a good manner. How does he behave? In a good manner. So, modifying mode of verb. It's adverb phrase. Okay. They were shouting in a loud voice. How were they shouting? In a loud voice. Again, it's a adverb phrase. She always drives with care. So, drives क्या हो गया? Action, right? With care. So, it is what? Adverb phrase. Giving you more information. He sat in the corner of the room. So, telling you more information of the room, right? So, modifying more of, you can say this corner of the room, right? So, now, he returned in a short while. Again, action हुआ short while. Giving you more information about the verb. Okay, so it is what? Adverb phrase. So I hope you have understood verb and adverb. See, verb क्या होता है ना, जो verb के बारे में आपको ज़्यादा information दे रहा है. Gives you more information about verb and main verb and auxiliary verb. But what is an adverb phrase? It tells you more about adverb. And what is an adverb which gives you more information about verb, adverb or an adjective? Understood? Like for example, he was waiting for the rain to stop. ये verb क्यों है? Because you're getting only information about verb, like waiting for the rain to stop. एक ही action है, कुछ modification नहीं है. Now, if I say he was impatiently waiting for the rain to stop, he was eagerly waiting for the rain. So क्या हो जाएगा? Adverb. Because I'm telling more about the verb. Okay, then it would be adverb phrase. But when I'm not giving you more information, just a verb I'm saying, then it's what? Verb phrase. Adverb phrase. Understood? Adverb is nothing but gives you more information. Functions like adverb, modifying a verb, adjective, another adverb. Okay, now let's start. Let's see. Prepositional phrase. Preposition is what? It is also said as preposition. For example, book is in the bed. How did you come to know? With the word in. In is preposition. The book is on the table. How did you come to know? On. On is preposition. The book is under the table. Under. So this all are what? Preposition. A prepositional phrase begins with a preposition and can act as a noun. It can act as a noun also, adjective also, or an adverb. A prepositional phrase starts with a preposition and mostly ends with a noun or pronoun. Example, the bag was on the table. So on क्या हो गया? Preposition. और table क्या हो गया? You can say it as noun, right? Table is a common noun. We camped by the brook. As I said you, preposition phrase can act as a noun, adjective or an adverb. So action है ना, we camped by the brook. Okay, brook is nothing but one of the seaways. Okay, he knew it was over the desk. So over is what? Preposition. The desk is again noun. So it is acting like prepositional phrase. Through the wheat field. Again, it's what? Prepositional phrase. So I hope you are understanding these 5 basic types of phrases. For any doubts, please feel free to reach out to me using the comment box. Okay. And also, this is the exercise for you. Let's go quickly through it. Okay. She is waiting for someone. It's a verb phrase. Is waiting. Okay. He drives a car in a very high speed. ड्राइव्स क्या हो गया, वर्ब हो गया. अब जब मैं हाई स्पीड बोल रही, हाई स्पीड, सो गिविंग यू मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट वर्ब. सो क्या हो गया, एडवर्ब. A kid on the roof is looking at the star. So kid I'm already telling you. So giving you more information about noun. Okay. So it is what? It is adjective. He always speaks in a soft voice. Which voice? Soft. How? Soft. In. In is what? Preposition. And preposition phase mein what? He is what? Pronoun if you say. He always speaks. Speaks is what? Verb. So as I said you, verb, adverb can always act in a preposition phrase. It is say. She bought a decent black t-shirt, noun phrase. He returned in a short while, adverb phrase. She has been sleeping for 2 hours. He was between a desk and a bench, prepositional phrase. So I hope you have understood the basic 5 types of phrases which we have learned today. And also if you haven't understood any of the type, you can use the comment box, and also I would be coming soon with the advanced type of it. So stay tuned for it. Okay. So have a happy Wednesday, and also don't forget to subscribe. And also for any doubts, I tell you again and again, please approach using the comment box. And till then, stay tuned. I will be back on Friday with a new video. Stay tuned, stay happy, keep learning English with Bhavna. Bye bye.